This is a 6-piece set of metal wall decor. It was sent here from Hotop, so let's take a closer look. There are 6 designs in here. This is the flower butterfly set in black, which includes 3 gorgeous flowers and 3 cute butterflies, 2 profile and 1 straight on. It is such a cute set. The sizes and the styles vary, but they are all about 4 to 6 inches in diameter. I think these are the biggest and smallest side by side, you can see. Easy to just hang up. There's no nails or anything for hanging or installing them. You just gotta get creative. You could put a nail on the wall and hang it from that. You could string them onto something. Really simple, neutral design because they are just black and that metal frame. I love this set. So beautiful and neutral. You could decorate a bedroom, a living room, a sunroom, you name it. Great set. I love it and I know you will too.